Welcome to Discover Agriculture's YouTube channel. 2020 was a really bad year. For some people, it was a minor inconvenience of wearing a face mask like this one, and some other people, it was a situation between life and death. So this year, in 2020, we saw large-scale farmer protest from January in Maharashtra, and the protests are still going on in the states of Jharkhand and Punjab, and the protest has reached Delhi, and it has gotten the government attention that it deserves. But more things need to change. The paradigm shift in the farming industry needs to happen, and with the start of 2021, we have decided to do something for the farmers of India. We are giving away one complete CCM package free of cost to one lucky farmer. And for those of you who don't know what CCM complete package is or what CCM solar fencing is, there is a link in the description, but I will tell you in 2 words. CCM complete package is a solution to protect your farm from wild animals. It's a complete ecosystem. It doesn't need external power. It charges with solar and stores the electricity in the battery. It works 24 hours, and it's really great. You can check it out in the description below. You can win one completely free, and there are 5 coupon codes for additional 5 winners to get 20% off on a CCM complete package. So I know that this is not such a big deal. More things need to happen, but it is our contribution from Krushi store. And this giveaway will start at the start of this video when the video gets published, and it will go on until the January of 25th January of 2021, and we will announce the winner and dispatch their prize on 26th of January. That is the Republic Day of India. I hope everyone has a great year in 2021. I don't know when this video is going to be published, so I don't know the date, but Happy New Year to every farmer. All the rules and regulations of the competitions are written in the description. There is only one essential rule, that you need to be the subscriber of Discover Agriculture as well as Krushi Store's YouTube channel. Both of the links will be in the description and also on the competition page. And there is second rule, that you need to be the farmer. And you have to use this system on your own farm. You cannot resell it. These are the only 2 rules, and that's it. Thanks a lot to Discover Agriculture for letting us publish this information for farmers. And this giveaway is by Discover Agriculture and by Krushi Store. Both of us are doing this giveaway for farmers. So please subscribe to their channel as well, and please subscribe to Krushi Store's YouTube channel. If you have any queries about CCM solar fencing package or about this giveaway, you can contact us on these numbers provided, and you can also email us on this email that is provided. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Please share it with every farmer friend that requires this machine. Thanks a lot.